Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video, I'm going to evaluate an essay sent by a student in response to IELTS Task 2. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, one of the things that happen with IELTS exams is like after you return from your examination, especially for writing section, you set an expectation in your mind based on self-analysis of your performance. But in case you don't get anything near to that, you think for hours, maybe for minutes, about where exactly you went wrong and how to change, how to increase. So that's why I'm going to show you how you can uh, how an actual evaluation takes place and how you can actually improve, because I'm going to share the tips with you as well. So make sure you watch this video very carefully till the end. So the statement here is, some people say that advertising encourages us to buy things we really do not need. Others say that advertisements tell us about new products that may improve our lives. Which viewpoint do you agree? Use specific reasons and examples to support answer. Okay, now let's go through the response. Some people say, oh, again, probably it got copied again. So here, all right. Now here is the answer, or I should say the response. Advertisement means commercial about the different things like clothes, shoes, jewelry. This is a very depressing way of starting. Advertising means commercial. Wow. Clothes, shoes, and jewelries. I don't know what she really wanted to say. Let's go to the next line. We can see a lot of offers on TV or on posters. First of all, TV. T capital V. This is how you say maybe in your day-to-day activities, but when you are writing in your exam, make sure you use the correct form. Offers on televisions or on posters. Or if you want to use just television or TV, just use a TV. Because article a and the. You need to know how to use articles properly. Okay, going further. In these days, the trend of advertising is increasing day by day. Some people believe that this thing enforce people to buy the things. Wow. This thing enforce. Do you see a problem? Yes. This thing, third party singular. So it should be enforces people to buy the things which they do not need, while others have belief that advertisement on radio posters and banners tell us. Now first of all, using advertisement like this is incorrect, and then again see the word tell. Like she is doing tremendous mistakes in subject verb agreement. You should be accurate with your subject verb agreement in order to score high in your exam. Because if your subject verb agreement is good, you can expect higher bands, but if not, you're going to commit a lot of mistakes again and again. So that's why I always insist to all my students, like always insist on subject verb agreement. You should be accurate. While others have belief that advertisements on radio posters and banners tell us about new and featured products, I will discuss both views and draw a conclusion. She has really made a mess out of this first paragraph. Let's go through the next one. First of all, mostly advertisements offer the things which really. My god. It should be first of all, most advertisements. Mostly advertisement? How it could be singular? Most advertisements offer. Again, third party, like if you use just advertisement, you can write offers. But when you write offer, it should be plural. Advertisements. Identified subject, verb, and then the agreement should be perfect. Or the things which we really do not need. But there. Now what to say about this? There is a difference between this there and THEIR. And their features compel people to buy these things. So neither she is able to express the meaning. Grammatical errors are plenty. They make such advertisement which will encourage audiences to buy them. So who makes such advertisement and audiences are encouraged to buy what? Again, this statement is not clear. Take my friend Aisha as an example. Well, if you write this, you can write, for example, my friend Aisha, she do not like jewelry. She does not like jewelry. This is a very basic mistake. That means you need to work really hard on your English. It does not mean she does not have it. She has very expensive jewelries. She has written jewelry. You should write jewelries. I think this is the result of mass advertising. On the other hand, okay, probably she wanted to drop paragraph. On the other hand, an advertisement may, again she has missed articles, may also present the things which we need. By advertisement, we can get our required things in less price or in an affordable price. Wow, at least here she was correct. This is because in advertisement, sellers suggest several discounts. Well, here she has shown more grip on grammar. Okay. For instance, two of my friends wanted to visit Malaysia, not the Malaysia. You should know that when the is used in front of countries, when you say a group of countries or group of places like the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the West Indies, then you use the. Simple Malaysia, no. You say the Philippines because it ends with S, but not with country like Malaysia. Just say Malaysia. Two of my friends wanted to visit Malaysia. They saw an advertisement on internet website. Wow, internet website. Just write internet. When you say internet, that itself specifies the meaning. Why you need this word website? They offer one ticket free. So who offer one ticket free? Your friends or the website? Doesn't make any sense. If they cannot see advertisement, my friends can never visit. Like, see, first she is in the past tense, then she has come back to absolutely this is not going anywhere and could not have enjoyed beautiful scenes. To sum up, I would like to say that advertisement must be stopped because it contaminates the minds of the people. It encourages the people to buy the things which they even do not need. So whatever she has written doesn't make much sense. In fact, too many errors, too many issues, too many things we saw. So overall, not good. It's hard to achieve even 6. Of course, I don't have any tool to tell you exactly how much this will come, but based on my experience, it's between 5 to 5.5. It's hard to achieve even 6 the way she has written. So as you can see, I pointed out a lot of mistakes. Before I end this video, I would like to tell you, like, always use a pencil, because you may do some mistakes like article, subject, verb agreement that you can easily rectify. So when you practice, always have some time at the end so that you can go and correct those mistakes. That should always be there for you. So always plan like that so that you can change it. And like, you need to be very hard on subject verb agreement, because if you are able to master subject verb agreement, a lot of errors you can easily eliminate from your essay, and in this way you can expect higher scores. Otherwise it's difficult to achieve. So that's it guys, I hope so I hope you